Hi Pallavi.
Hi Satya, why you look so frustrated today?
As you know, I do business videos. I went for a shoot. I saw plastic bags and covers thrown on the road. So it's really frustrating.
Yes, you're absolutely right, Satya. I think very soon our city is going to be a big garbage dump.
What is the solution for it?
Solution is stop single-use plastic, use compostable plastic.
What is a compostable plastic?
Compostable plastic is a product which gets degraded in just 180 days and it becomes manure in soil and it helps plants to grow and it is also very safe for animals.
Oh, it's interesting. What is the products where we can get it?
We at GreenSmart Technologies, we are authorized by DRDO to manufacture compostable products such as carry bags, grocery bags, garbage bags, etc. All colors, sizes, branding is customizable.
Is it expensive?
Not so, our price is definitely lesser than the plastic as we do not have any restriction on thickness.
Oh, stop using single-use plastic.
Use only compostable plastic, make Hyderabad and India plastic free.
With media partner,
Winz
Winz Business.